Good evening, everyone. This is Shivangi Jaiswal, and we are going to start our second day for the academic writing workshop. Today, ma'am will be covering up the Mendeley workshop and how do you have to cite references in Mendeley. So, just let's start, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Shivangi. So I hope everyone has enjoyed yesterday's session. Let's start with our session that will entirely dedicated on the citation. My voice is clear. Should I? Is it audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay.
audible.
Now please respond me if you look at my screen also. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Can you see the screen, Shivangi?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, let's start now. So today's lecture will help us to manage the citation. So this is very important. Whenever you write your paper, you need to put references. Now, putting references in itself is sometimes very cumbersome task. So you have to cite at means it depends on your paper content, how much you cite, how much you put the references. Then you add your bibliography at the end. It depends on the discipline which you are working, what type of citation you will be choosing. It always depends, like if I talk about computer science people, they work in citation IEEE, and many other multidisciplinary people, they have citation of APA type. So whatever the citation, we are going to learn how to cite, and that also with the help of other tool like Mendeley. Okay, but before starting, first of all, I would like to interact with my the audience with me. Any one of you, please switch on your mic and just let me know how you write your paper. How do you cite? Sadhbir sir is ready to speak. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I generally see the reference, for example, uh, Michael Jackson. So I generally cite as per the structure or format of the journal.
Okay. So how do
For
you do
example, it
that?
is Elsevier. For example, if it is Elsevier, then it is in within square brackets 1, 2, 3
Okay,
like
okay.
that. And
Okay.
in the bottom, I mentioned about the details of
Okay.
that reference.
Yeah,
But
that only
ma'am,
I'm saying. How do you do that?
but
Yes.
ma'am,
Huh.
I do it only manually.
Yes.
So I'm
Uh,
have joined today's session just to know the magic of this tool.
Okay, okay.
uh,
Prasenjit Roy sir wants to speak.
yes,
Sadhbir sir, you
I
will go on.
yeah, I what actually do? I go to the Google Scholar, and
Yeah,
if I click on the quotes, I get the different style. I copy from
okay.
there,
Yeah,
and then I can paste it somewhere, means a suitable place.
yes.
That's one way.
Okay. And but sir, Prasenjit Roy sir, like
Yes.
you do this, but at times,
Uh,
like if you get a review of a paper, okay, and
uh,
now you want to edit your paper, done. Now again you are adding some references. Now earlier references, whatever you added, they has to be in chronological order in the bibliography, okay, either in the number form or in the alphabetic order. But don't you find a problem like
Yes,
if,
yes.
है
There's a
ना?
problem because I have to keep in mind because what I did,
Yes,
which is the number one,
yes,
which is because
yes,
that's not automatic. Maybe
yes.
a bit easy, but not so. I have to keep a note also. But did I?
Yeah, yes, and we need to color it or other schemes which we find it logical. We apply such methods, but yes, that is difficult because so far I was also doing that only. First of all, I will show the same method which Prasenjit Roy sir is being doing. Let me first show that method only. Today I will focus more on the practical aspects and less on the presentation. We will do reverse engineering. First, we will check the practical aspects, then we will cover the PPT part. Though I have the content with me, but I do not want to waste the time more on reading. We will checking the practicality. Let's see, everyone. Normally, when we are looking for the papers, we can do one thing. Most of the people are doing that. We go to Google Scholar. Okay, Prasenjit sir, am I right?
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Absolutely.
Like if I am doing my work in mutation testing, I am finding some papers in mutation testing. So the easiest way, which actually people told me also, because nobody tells us how to go in an automatic way. So the easiest way is this. Everyone can see the screen. Please respond, one of you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you see here the double quotes and there is a word written CITE. This is a common method which everyone uses. Just click on this. Okay, you get multiple types of citation styles. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So just if for example, if I want to copy the APA style or I will say MLA style, I'll just copy from here, copy, and I'll go to my paper, and wherever I want to paste, I will just paste, maybe here at the end. I do so. This is the way people do, even I used to do. Then if I want to number, I will number it, and if I want to just cite with the author's name, I will just copy here, and wherever I want to do the citation, I will go there and just paste there like this.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, this is the common method which everyone actually uses in the practice. This is not wrong practice. Yes, if we are not aware of the tools, we do this. Okay. Second thing is, second method is, we have in our MS Word itself, we have got references. Can everybody see the toolbar of MS Word?
Yes.
So I'll go to references. Okay. In the references part, I will just go to, first of all, which type of citation I want to do. I will select from here. Like this is, I just want APA, for example. I will click on APA. Then I will go to insert citation and add new source. And I will just fill here. Okay. Suppose this is author and I want to fill something else. Maybe anything. I'm just filling the superfluous things right now just to know you people how I do. Okay. Means I just want to say Word is itself a magic tool. Word is also providing us the way to cite or way to write the references or way to add the bibliography. Now see, I have added this, but here I have added manually. I have added the everything like journal article, author's name, then title, for example, mutation, testing, and other details. This I am doing manually. So this way, if I have got 100, see, you can see even this reference has come here. I think it is visible to everyone. If it is not, you may ask. I have highlighted with red.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so this is also a sort of you can say the method how it will help me. This is also an automatic method. I will never say that Word is not having such capability. This is also automatic. How? For example, I want to add same reference here. Okay, again I will go to insert citation, GIA. See, this was the paper which I was choosing. Again I have given. Again it is coming here, right? I'm just coloring for you people. I want to add same citation again. I will click here. For example, here I want to add. I will go here. I will insert from here. So this way I can actually use Word also. And now if I want to add bibliography, what I will do, just go there. Can you see this tab, bibliography?
Yes. Yes.
I will just click here, bibliography, and automatically I will get the bibliography here. Can you see this? Why only one paper is coming? Because I have just added 2 references only with this method.
Okay.
Of the same citation. Done. Now, if I want to change, it is APA. If I want to change into MLA, it will come into MLA form, right?
Okay.
So first of all, this method is clear or not? This is the second method. First method was manual, with the help of Google Scholar. This is the second method, which in the absence of any third-party tool, I am just doing the references with the help of MS Word itself. Anyone else who can respond, please, apart from Sarbir sir and Prasin sir? Mary, Dr. Mary needs to speak. Sarbir sir, please be on.
No, yes, ma'am, you can carry on.
Okay, so I would request everyone, maybe my voice get distorted if everybody's mic will be switched on. So you are requested to put yourself on mute. Mary ma'am, Sarbir sir, please put
Yes,
yourself
please.
on mute. Thank you so much. So should I carry on? Anybody is having any doubt on this method? Now, again, when I talk about this method, this is also, I find this method very hard. Why? Because if I am having in my thesis, when I'm talking about my thesis, not of a paper, because in a paper, normally we have 20 to 50 references. I can manage that putting manually. But when I'm writing thesis, there I have references more than 200. So this is very difficult for me. But yes, at times when once I am doing my entries here, it is helpful also. Somewhat it is better than manual. Okay. But
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
yes. Please speak
Like,
up your name first, please.
yeah, this is Aditi. Aditi.
Yeah, Aditi.
Yeah, like just now you showed in references APA style we are inserting, and in bibliography we are doing that. So this whole citation pattern, is it automatically coming
Yes,
in?
it is automatic. This is the capability
So
of
how is it?
this is the cap, ma'am. This is a tool, na toolbar. This is you might have not explored this.
Because when I am doing my literature review, I am myself typing in APA
Yeah,
style, the full
yes,
stop, comma,
yeah.
everything I am typing myself.
That
So
is
this
why
is
we
a
have
new
kept.
thing to
Yes,
me.
actually, I knew it because see, this is the thing which nobody pays attention. But when we start writing, we fall into, you can say, a trap of writing itself. We never come out of it, and we get so frustrated. We go to the third parties and we ask for them to help us in writing. Actually, this happens. That is why so many academic writers have come up, because they are doing work for the researchers. But why we should go to them? They do not have knowledge, they only know how to write. Why not, if the academicians who have knowledge, and means, you can say this is just a cherry on a cake, I will say. You know everything, but when you
This is
present your
wonderful, ma'am. This is really wonderful.
Aditi ma'am, this is not wonderful. The wonderful thing is still in the queue. Mendeley.
Yeah, the Mendeley, we are
Yeah,
waiting eagerly
yeah,
for
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. First I should actually make you know na what is actually around us. We are not aware. Everything is around us.
Right.
The technology is so vast and everything is there, but we do not explore, and we've come under a trap of, I will say, the people who just doing looting purposes outside. So let's move
And
further.
we are wasting unnecessary time also, ma'am.
Yes, actually, ma'am, I too wasted so many years. Nobody told me. But when I started writing thesis, now I am telling you, then only I have come across such magic things. So let's start now.
Okay.
Thank you, Aditi ma'am, if you have loved the system. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
So now, like Aditi ma'am is still feeling fascinated by this simple word which we are using from, I will say, from your school times, but you have never explored that we have got references. That's a magic thing. Now let's go further let's come to our Mendeley part. Now, if we want to automate this process, that even here I was typing in, I was keying in, I was doing typing. What if some tool comes and it automatically takes in all the author's name, the date, the DOI, and we do not even have to type? Then comes the role of the Mendeley. Let's see how. First of all, before going to Mendeley, I would like to share with you some formats, the common formats. APA, first of all. Normally, APA format citation guide is, you can see there, like author's name, surname, initials, date published, title of source. This is the way APA is asking us to write. But now, from today onwards, when you are writing a paper, do not worry. If somebody is asking APA, no need to worry. If somebody is asking MLA, no need to worry. Just write. Afterwards, on a click of seconds, you will get this formats. Now, APA is such type of format. And when I say MLA, MLA is hanging format. I think this slide is quite expressive in itself. You can see it's a hanging indent of citations, more than one lines. This is MLA format. Okay. Now let's move to Mendeley part. Introduction to Mendeley. So now what is Mendeley actually? It is a tool which helps you to organize your documents, references, and helps in even collaborating by creating groups. Now in Mendeley, just like a Google Drive, where we can collaborate with so many people and do the work together. Mendeley is also a cloud-based open source tool. Again, it is though there is a premium version also, but there is no need to buy premium version, because the open source tool itself give you 2 GB of space. So there is no need to go for the premium, only use the free version. It will help you a lot. Next, the free plan users who currently get 1 GB of storage will now get 2 GB. This is a new thing which Mendeley is giving. Now, Mendeley is the Elsevier's product. You must have heard about Elsevier Science Direct. This is a product of Elsevier's. So it is now giving you 2 GB free space to store your documents. And when you buy a plan, it gives you 5 GB for plus plan, and pro plan gives you 10 GB. But I think you do not need this much of space. Now, before knowing what is Mendeley, first of all, everyone, I will just copy the link onto your chat boxes, and you start. First of all, let me know everyone is ready to do hands-on or only wants to see only. Please see this link. Go to this link. I have copied in the chat box. Everyone. Sadhbir sir, please speak up whether you have got the link or not.
Ma'am, I have downloaded it.
Okay, good. Very good.
So I want to just see the process, see the demonstration.
Okay. Only 5 minutes will it take, sir. Those who have not downloaded, they can download.
Okay.
Many have done so.
Ma'am,
Already downloaded. Niharika.
Ma'am, first we'll be comfortable in seeing what you are showing, and then later on we have the PPT, so later on we can refer and do hands-on. But first we want to see what you are. Yeah.
Okay, this is Aditi.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because see, Aditi and Sadhbir sir, you people have already downloaded, na? So you are feeling more comfortable in the looking part. But I think sometimes many people.
No issue. We will wait, ma'am. We'll wait.
Wait, please. Wait for 5
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah.
Sure,
That's
sure.
fine, ma'am.
Because it is a very good tool, so I would like everybody to be benefited.
Yeah, I just want everyone should at least start using this tool from today itself.
No issue, because it is not a high storage requiring tool. So
it will take less time.
Yeah.
Once everybody has downloaded this tool, just write yes in the chat box. Those who have done, just write yes. When I get 20 yes, I will move on. Everyone, please start writing yes.
Some people may be attending this session on their mobile itself, so they may not download.
Okay,
Mendeley.
no problem. I will give very less time only for downloading. Let's see. Okay, now once you have downloaded, okay, the next step will be. I think this window, everybody might have seen this window. This window, only what you have to do is, first of all, everyone has to create their account. After creating their account, please download. Once you download, you will get your desktop app. Okay, you have created your account. Now download Mendeley for Windows. Sadhbir sir, you have done so? Yes.
I have created my account, ma'am.
Okay. Download Mendeley, desktop or Windows. Okay, Sadhbir sir, then please speak up. Do you have a plugin on your Chrome or Internet Explorer also?
Ma'am, I don't know about plugin, but I have.
That is why actually I wanted that you do side by side. Now let's do one thing. Go, sir. Once you have downloaded your Mendeley, now you download your web importer. Means as soon as you will click on the web importer, you can sign in again, Add plugin to your browser. Click on web importer.
Should I do something, ma'am?
Yes, you should go to your you log in again.
Okay. Should I go to tools?
You are opening your app is there now with you on your desktop?
Ma'am, in this uninstall MS Word plugin. So I think it is already installed.
MS Word plugin and web, sir, I am talking about web plugin.
Okay. Install web importer. Should I do that?
Yeah, you should do that. So add plugin to your browser. Now,
agree and start down free download.
Now I will show you. Now, everybody, first of all, let's check our browser. Everyone has got this icon on their browser, this red color, Mendeley Web Importer.
Yes.
Two things, when you get these two things, then only I can start my workshop. First of all, you should have got this web importer. Okay, on your browser, whatever browser you have. If you have Explorer, you have got Firefox, you have got Chrome, whatever you have, you will as soon as you will download web importer, it will come here as plugin on your web toolbar. Okay, and second thing is you should have this desktop version also. This.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Mona Lisa ma'am is having the doubt. She did not got the web importer.
Okay, no issues. Please ask her to download the web importer from the same site only. The step by step which I was telling. Ask her to log in to Mendeley and download web importer from there, or either you go to toolbar, tools, Mendeley desktop tools, and install web importer. Please see the screen,
Okay.
Mona Lisa. And now today you can speak also, everyone, if you have any doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mona
Please show,
Lisa?
please show, ma'am. Please show.
Please.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see her?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Now you please cross check it whether you have got it on your browser or not. Like this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Okay. Now let me see the chat box itself. How many of you have done this much? Okay. Please start writing if both the things are with you.
Yeah, ma'am. They have
Ma'am,
responded.
Ma'am, I can't see the icon. I downloaded. Yeah, mainly
Okay.
web importer, but it is not coming on my. As you said,
You have to, okay. You have to check your plugin from your, you can see the 3 dots on your side.
wait a minute. Yeah, that is it.
Just click on there. It is already there, na?
It's not showing it to me.
Ma'am, you have to click on it. Means double click on it, you'll get there.
Okay, like in your case, it is visible clearly here.
Yeah, you have to click on it, ma'am. Then it will come.
Okay, let me try.
Pin. Just try it. Don't worry, it is very easy. Just give some time.
That was not coming. Yeah.
Got?
Ma'am, can it happen on a laptop also? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Can it happen on a mobile as well?
No, you go for a laptop only, ma'am, because I don't think you have your papers on your mobile.
Okay.
Please, this is that is why yesterday I requested everyone, if you wants to have hands-on, then it will be better you be on your mobiles or sorry, laptop.
Yeah. Now I can see Radhika, ma'am. Thank
Very
you.
good. Ma'am, your name?
Niharika.
Niharika, that's better.
Yeah.
So should I proceed? Please keep writing. It's taking time to download. No, it won't take time. It will take only not more. If you're, let me give you one more tip. Those who are facing problem, your desktops might be overloaded. Never overload your desktops. Keep less icons on your desktop. Niharika ma'am, done. Please keep writing, everyone. Deepa, you are not getting red icon. If it is already downloaded, just check your add-ons.
Okay.
From right, you have got this, na? This is here you have to actually these plugins, because you might be having many plugins, Deepa. So it might have come down.
Okay.
So you have to pin up.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got it on the. Yeah, I've got
Very
it
good,
down.
very good. So you're happy now, na? Should I move? Somak,
Yes.
Somak has done, Niharika has done. Please, everyone, I am actually waiting for you people only. Okay, now. Should I move forward?
Yes, ma'am. Many have
Okay.
done.
हाँ, तो Mary ma'am and Sadhvir sir be on mute because I am afraid my voice can distort. So let's start now. Okay, this is my paper actually, and I want some. You may say maybe I want to add something to my paper. First of all, I should. Just give me also a minute.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी sir.
regarding this downloading, I was on this page. It was asking for downloading from Edge, Microsoft Edge.
So that is your Explorer, na? Now my Explorer name is changed.
Okay,
That
so
is
it is
Microsoft
acceptable.
Edge. Explorer only, sir.
It is
It is
acceptable.
It is acceptable, though, but I always prefer to work on Chrome. That is my personal
So
preference.
what should I do then?
Sir,
to
you
download
on your Chrome,
to download it from
then you so then you should open from Chrome itself. Means when you have actually logged in now, you have logged in from Explorer actually. Now you log in from Chrome. Then you'll get on Chrome itself.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So okay, now let's move further.
I'll do it later.
Okay. First, we can now see the demo. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I am just opening a new tab, and I just want that I want to find some paper, maybe again on mutation testing algorithms. Okay, I got some paper. I have read also this paper because we should read also paper. Now I will just open from here. Sometimes what happens with like IEEE papers, we do not have access of papers, but we have read the abstract and we just want to cite it. So what I am going to this, I have opened the paper. Okay. Now just I will go to Mendeley. Am I making clarity? Just click on Mendeley. Plugin, web importer. Okay. Now can you see on my screen that a strategy for mutation testing using genetic algorithm? This name is coming here also.
Ma'am, suppose web importer has not been downloaded, we cannot work on that, ma'am?
No, we can work. I am going to tell you that also.
Okay.
First, let's see on the cloud based. Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have just searched a paper.
Okay.
Now you want that it I want to cite this paper. So what I'm going to do is just I've opened the paper, open the web importer, and just I will press now. If I'm okay with this, I will read this. A strategy for mutation testing using genetic algorithm. Mohammad Mehendi Musad. See, Musad A Nayak Zaman Mansal. You can see this all. It is coming. Just I will add it. It will take a second. Okay. I will go now. Side by side, I will open my Mendeley app also on my desktop. This was the application of your desktop? Yes, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Just I will press on synchronize.
Okay.
Again, you added your paper from web importer. Done.
Okay.
First step. Second step, just click on synchronize. Synchronize means it will sync with the importer. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm now, because I may forget the name, so I will go here. I will just see what is the name.
Strategy for mutation.
You have to remember the name. Maybe I forgot. Strategy for mutation testing using genetic algorithm. Okay. Now I go here. For example, I want to cite. Okay. Now, whenever you are working on Mendeley, fine, and you have added your web importer and you have added your Word plugin.
Okay.
Right or not? You added from here now, from tools, you have added two things: install web importer and MS Word plugin. Everyone has done this also. I hope so. MS Word plugin I have added. Now I will go to Word Fine. Just now you can see I have got a Mendeley editor over here. Can you see this? Everyone, references, click on references. And if you have added the MS Word plugin, it will appear here. Okay. As soon as now I will go to insert citation. And what was the name of the paper?
Strategy for mutation. Strategy for mutation. Strategy for mutation.
For mutation.
ये आ गया, नीचे आ गया
था एक
हाँ
कौन सा वाला है? ये वाला
सेकंड वाला यस
हाँ जी ये आ गया ठीक है मैंने इस पे क्लिक किया
ये
ओके करा
यस
ओके कैन यू सी दिस formatting citation word is coming it will take 1 second see it has come
Ma'am, Radhika ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
I can't see this plugin in my
okay
Word ma'am.
Now
Word, I can't see that.
Now you do one thing ma'am I will tell you
Okay.
how I will tell you just give me 1 minute only
Okay.
Because I knew it many people will face this problem so I have made a solution for you also you just have to go to ma'am file go if you are working go to options
Where in which place Word
Ma'am,
I should open my Word
yeah
or,
you have not got the plugin now ma'am of MS Word na so you go to file had you done this step are you done with this step tools install
tools. That I did
okay no issue now okay you go to now go to file on MS Word okay go to options I am doing with you okay can you see options
let me see you once okay
now
please,
again
please continue I'm looking at you
add-ins can you see this button add-ins okay I have clicked on add-ins now can you see this all add-ins are coming ma'am can you see Mendeley see this what is the name of a ma'am Mary ma'am
Niharika ma'am Niharika ma'am have you got
we are seeing you continue
ma'am please respond also so that I will come through can you see this add-ins and Mendeley
yes please
yes then just say okay do okay it will come actually you might be having MS Word your Word 16 with you so there there you have to do somewhat it hides so you have to again go in add-ins okay done should I move
yeah ma'am you can move
okay now again I think I should repeat the steps now what I have another way also of doing but right now what I have done first of all whatever paper you want to see just go to internet and either to Google Scholar or Google or Sci-Hub or anywhere you just open your paper I will do one thing I will go to Sci-Hub also another way also I will show Sci-Hub okay
and Radhika ma'am in between what happened I lost my connection so whatever you were doing I was not able to see
ma'am actually I also got a call so I lost the touch I got a call in between so can you please repeat ma'am for a while
just show the process once again I lost my connection
okay no issues you please keep writing okay so that you can practice it afterwards let me tell you again
yeah I am writing everything but I got a call
no
in
problem.
between ma'am
No issue
just show us the process ma'am please
okay no issue I am repeating everyone again first process was you have to download Mendeley done Mendeley you have to download two things one is your desktop okay desktop setup and one is your web plugin okay when you are done with these two things what you can do is you go to your desktop setup okay this is your desktop setup you have to go to tools okay from here if you still you have not got web importer you can do from here also install web importer and install MS Word plugin. You can do from here. Okay. Now, if in any case, after doing MS Word plugin, normally when you do that, you get this editor here. Mendeley editor like this you will get here under references. Okay. Go to references, you get this toolbar here of Mendeley. Okay. If you are not getting, like one of the ma'am was facing issue, then you can recheck your options from file, go to options. Okay. Check your add-ins. Go to add-ins. From add-ins, you get a list of add-ins already in your system. So you check for a Mendeley. You can click from there and just press on OK. In that way, you will get the editor if you have not got by default. Right? I have done. I have repeated that much. What you people have missed. Now what?
Yeah, ma'am. We are on the same page.
Now let's move further. I will give you demo of the giving a citation again. For example, I found a paper. Now I go to another thing. I have. Okay. I am just finding SWOT. Oh no, it's not coming. Look. And just because I don't know the proper name of my paper now, so I am finding them Scholar only. You can find from paper from anywhere if you know the name of the paper or DOI. I am finding a paper, Better Code by Making Bugs or SWOTs. Any paper I can take. Let's say code clone detection model. Okay. I will just open the paper. Fine. And I will just click on Mendeley. It will take 1 minute to give me the automatic citation of that paper. I'll get this. Okay. I'll get many options of this same. I will check and I will cross check which is better for me. For example, I want to code this. I will just click on this. Okay. Code of clone detection model. I will add. It will be added in my library of Mendeley. It is added. Now I will go to my desktop application. Just press on sync. Once it is synced, means it is synced with my web importer. I will go to my Word, and wherever I want to cite, for example, I want to cite it here. Okay. What I will do insert citation and just write the name of that paper. Okay. The paper was this, if you remember, code clone detection model. Have everybody can see this window? Can you see the name of that paper which I have just added?
Yes, ma'am.
I will just click here.
Yes, yes.
On that paper. Just do OK. And you see here, it is come. Mubarak Ali 2018. I am deliberately changing the color to red so that you can see. Can you see this, the citation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, Niharika, I will ask a question from Niharika. Niharika, now tell me the difference if you are using Word, which was you finding amazing. What are the efforts you are minimized here?
Yeah, it's much better.
Better, because you do not have to type anything actually.
Yeah, 100%.
Here, that's very cumbersome to type. Now, another thing, again, you have got various styles. Can you see this style? Okay. Whatever style is like, for example, I was having Americans Psychological Association 7, APA 7th edition. I was by default using. Now I have changed to IEEE. Now see. Can you see this red 5? Can you see this? Citation has changed.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
It has been changed. Okay, now please see. I want to add bibliography with this IEEE citation. What? Okay, now you see. I will do it again. I will add my insert bibliography. Because it was already added now, I am adding here. I will insert bibliography. Okay, you can see now. Can you see? Can you see? 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So automatically, because I have already using referencing, see, first which referencing I was using in my paper. Now see the numbering has come. Can you see this? 8, 9.
Yes.
So I do not have to do any effort. Just write your paper, and as per the demand of your submission journal, you can change your citation. And even you can now, if I'm adding also some citation, maybe if I'm adding at the starting here, okay, I do not have to remember the number now. Just I will add the citation, the numbering will automatically generated, and it will be arranged also in order.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I am using Mac OS.
Okay. Yeah. In Mac, na sir. Okay. In Mac, what you will find an issue in Mac actually, because Mendeley normally works for MS Office. But if you have installed MS Office on a Mac also.
Yes, I have tried to download the Mendeley. I've already done that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here, then did you got the toolbar? You will get a toolbar. Here we have got an editor now. In Mac, you will get a toolbar in MS Word.
Yeah.
You didn't has got it yet? Have you checked, sir? Your MS Word toolbars. Go to toolbars, view toolbars.
I went to tools, but I can't access the Mendeley from tools.
Okay, no issue, sir. That you can actually, sir. The process is same. The usage will be also same. You just learn the process of using Mendeley. Fine. Then installation on Mac can be Googled afterwards. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, please. Okay, sir. Okay. We have so much to tell. I have to tell you more on Mendeley, how I can actually copy my PDF also in Mendeley. I will move there only when this much is clear.
Ma'am, this is Aditi. I just want to know, like the paper you are showing, there
Yeah.
it's written abstract, and then third option is citations. After references, citations is written in this paper only, in the top. Abstract, references, and then citations is written, third number. So, ma'am, in the boxes.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
Yeah.
if we take citations from here, ma'am, it is the same thing from Mendeley.
Yeah, Mendeley is automatically taking, says though the citations are not coming here, there are citation generator also. There are some tools called citation generator also. But if you copy and paste the citation, ma'am, then what happens is, if you want to use the citation again in your some other paper, then again you have to write it again, and maybe you have to number it again. But Mendeley is using
We'll
same
not be able to
citation.
keep a track. Okay, we'll not be able to keep a track. So citations and bibliography both will go hand in hand.
Yeah, yes. And secondly, Mendeley is taking the citation from the paper as it is given by the author. Okay. So it takes care of it. Okay. And changing the different style of citation, it is provided in the Mendeley Word toolbar. You have seen. See this.
Whatever. Yeah.
Please see this. These are various styles.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I think now insert
Ma'am,
citation.
Ma'am, can you please repeat this? I think it will require only 2 minutes. Can you please show this once again? How to insert this citation?
Okay. Okay. No issues.
Because, ma'am,
Now, sir,
I think suppose if we insert one citation in the
wait. First, let me make it consistent. 7. Now say.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. What do you want? Speak up.
Please insert any other reference.
One citation.
Any site.
Okay.
Please cite one after one.
Any citation. Okay. No issues. For example, I want to cite remember any
Yes,
paper. Like I want to cite my,
Oh, yeah.
I know the author. Even I can write the author's name also. Like I know I want to cite
Okay,
my
any-
guides. Okay. So I'm writing Mamta.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Yes.
can you see this Mamta Madan? 3-4 papers are coming.
Three, better code.
Better
Third
code.
one.
You want to take this? Okay. Just
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
wait. First, you have to click where you want the citation. Let me repeat again.
Okay, ma'am.
First,
Okay,
you
ma'am.
bring the cursor where you want the citation. For example, you want it here. Okay. Then you go to insert citation. Then you write the name of the paper. Okay. Or you write the author's name, whatever keyword with which you want it. Okay. For example, I don't remember the paper name, but I know, yes, this thing was written in my madam's paper also. So I've just written Mamta Madan. Okay, her all papers are coming here, and I know I want to take this paper. Okay, I will just click here.
Yes.
Okay, and okay. Now
Okay.
formatting citation. I will take. You see,
It has come.
it has come. I will take it in red color so that it is more
Okay, ma'am.
right.
Huh.
And brackets, round bracket has also come along with it. I have
Right.
not made the brackets. The brackets
Yes.
are by default done. Now,
Yes.
now please keep looking also, because this is APA. Which format? Sir,
Yes.
speak.
AP.
APA.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
है ना? Now, if I want to change, sorry, I will go here.
Yeah, it can be changed. I know that.
IEEE, so it will be changed. Okay.
Yes. Now, please show the bibliography part. Also.
Bibliography also. Nothing we have to do. Wherever you want to insert your bibliography, just like I want to insert here only, because I'm just taking.
But ma'am, for example, as per IEEE, it is 6 number over there. So automatically in the bibliography, it is not.
Yes. It will be changed. The order will change. Just go to insert bibliography. Okay. Now see.
Okay.
Which number was that?
I think it was number 1 or
Six.
Yeah.
Now please see the 6th number.
Okay.
Has it come or not?
Understood. So automatically it is coming, na?
Yes,
So-
and we are not. We will not waste our time in this.
Okay.
And like normally means now it all depends on the paper. You want
Okay.
numbering or you want APA. Now I'm changing my style again. I want to bring it to 7th APA. Now please
Okay.
see. Change.
So automatically it will
Now,
change.
but now it will go to where alphabetic. order.
Alphabetically.
Yes.
Okay. Understood.
Done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay. So I think it is beneficial for everyone, such type of thing. Now let's see this. If I don't have the paper, I don't want to see the paper from internet. I am already having my LR with me. Like when I learned Mendeley, I already had my 100 papers with me as a PDF.
Yes.
So what
Yes, ma'am.
to do in that
We
case?
have,
Ha.
yes, ma'am.
Now-
We have a list of 150 papers already
Yeah.
saved on my laptop.
No issues. It will not even take 15 minutes. It will take 2 minutes only. Now see.
Okay.
Go to Mendeley. Fine. Done. Okay. Can you see the button add here?
Yes.
Just click here. Wherever is your literature. For example, because I have also kept some data with me. So day 2. Okay. I have kept my LR here. Okay. So what I did is, can you see this? How many papers are there, Aditi? 14 now. I also had 150 papers. Here I am showing you 14 only, but you can actually add 150 also. Just click them, open them. It will be added here. See how much time it took?
Great. Few seconds only.
Seconds only. You can do this for your PhD papers also. Now what to do is, now I know that and now another magic thing. Now you want to read this paper. Say I am not today. Please, I have 58 slides with me. With this all, I will read them afterwards. I just wanted you should see the practicality. Now I want to read the paper. Okay. For example, I want to read my paper. Any paper. This is my paper. I will
Yes.
double click. I don't have to go here and there. This is my thesis, some thesis. Okay. I can read it from here. Okay. You want to see more magic?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or this much is enough magic.
No, ma'am. We want to love to.
There
see
is
the
more magic.
Stored. now I found, now I'm reading. I am only reading. I want that this paragraph is good for me. Like out of this paper, this is the part which I am going to refer somewhere, or I am going to read it, or I am going to paraphrase it, what you learned yesterday. So what you have to do, just highlight it, okay? With means what I've done is just selected it, whatever you want. For example, these 5 lines I want to see. Okay, can you see these 3 buttons?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Highlight this text. First of all, I will change it. Highlight it. Done. First step. Again.
We have to right click,
Can
ma'am.
you see? Yes, right click. You get 3 buttons. Now, if you want to change the color, you may change the color also. I am changing it to red. Okay. Now
Okay.
again. Now, just click it. First, you have right click. Now you have to click only. Can you see here? What is written? This you want to add a note. I am adding a note. Okay. Like I am writing.
Please comment.
Whatever, anything.
Whatever.
I find it interesting. Okay, interesting.
Hmm.
Like this is up to my mind now how I remember the things. Some keyword are interesting. I can be added in intro. Okay, that's done. Now it will be saved. Okay,
Great,
so
ma'am. So it is for while we are reading, we can keep on making notes
Yes,
and comments. as
yes,
well.
and you don't have to keep your data here and there. You have just put, and now see, now I have added 14 PDFs. Okay, again, can you see these 3 buttons? Okay, go back to library, my library. Okay, now this was the paper for which I have added note. You can see other details are also here. Now approach, I want to cite this paper. Done.
Yeah, ma'am.
So because I don't remember the name of the paper sometimes. What I will do, I will copy the name from here. Okay, I will go to Word. Again, I want to do sub citation of out of this. Like I want to do it here. I will go to insert citation, add it. Can you see the paper here?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Same paper. Okay. Can you see
Wow.
the citation has come?
Yeah,
Right.
ma'am.
So it
That's
means
awesome.
you do not only have to take your papers from the web, you can also copy paste your add your papers from your desktop. And one more
Radhika
method.
ma'am, Radhika
Yes,
ma'am,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
repeat this one right now, which you did
Okay, ma'am.
right
I will
now.
repeat it, no problem. See,
So,
ma'am.
ma'am, we have to open 2 files. One is Mendeley desktop
Yes,
as well
yes,
as
yes.
our
Yeah,
Word
yeah.
file. And this
Now,
Word file is integrated with Mendeley, right?
your
By having MS plugin.
it is integrated with web importer also, and it is integrated with our MS Word also. Let me repeat again. Whenever you are working in your Mendeley, you have to do one thing, that naturally you should have internet connection with you, first
Yes.
of all. Okay.
Yes.
Secondly, because it is a cloud-based tool.
Yeah.
Again, it is a cloud-based tool. Fine. There's so much to tell you about more about. First, look here. You have opened your Word file. You have opened your Mendeley. Done. Now, what I was telling in my last statements, that if I want to read my paper, okay, you have got so many papers. Fine.
Yes.
I want to read this paper. I will just double click it.
Reading area and highlighting all things was clear, Radhika ma'am. Only you inserted that how you inserted that I want to
Ma'am,
know.
same way, same method hai.
Yeah.
The method of inserting is same. For example, I want to insert the citation here. Okay.
Yeah.
I will go to insert citation. I know the name of the paper. And now the name of the paper is from the web, or the name of the paper is from my desktop LR. Everything is now synced into
Okay.
desktop application of Mendeley. Fine. So I will get it here. So I have just I have typed the name. I got it, and I just added. Now you can
Okay.
see.
Yeah, got it.
It will
Thank
come.
you.
Approach.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So I think I made the clarity now. Then, so now what you have learned till now is you can read your papers, you can actually add your papers into Mendeley library. This is the library you're adding. Next, sometimes what happens is I like this. You can see I have got thousands, not thousands, I've got hundreds of paper. This is my thesis paper actually. So many paper. Now because see, when we are doing work now, we are so doing the work in a multitasking mode. Sometimes we forget what was the last paper which I have read. So what can we do is can you see on the left pane that there is a button called recently added?
Yes, ma'am.
Now these are the papers which we have recently added, and you can see the date and time also. Can you see?
Yes.
This is the paper 1 week ago, okay, and this is the 2 papers which I have added 26 minutes before, 17 minutes before, which I have cited also somewhere. Okay, so you can just check from recently added. Now one more problem. Sometimes it happens that maybe I have got more than one paper at one place. Okay, so that is called your duplication. Fine. So that how can I check my more than one entry? I just have to go to my give me 1 minute. There is a button check duplicacy. There is okay. Right click. We need to right click actually. There's something. I don't know where is that duplicate button has gone. I will just find and tell you. Means we can actually check out. There is a tab in file. You have a option check duplicacy. We can just click on that and we can check the duplicate entries. If we have done so, we can delete them. Okay, I will check it. Okay, first of all, let me tell you one more thing.
Somebody is written that it is in the tools. It's in the tools.
Options.
Ma'am, tools option is having it up. You just check it out. Check for
Yes, ma'am.
duplicate.
Yes, ma'am,
Actually,
it is there.
so, but it happens because sometimes I don't know, things are in front of our eyes and we don't check. Now
Hello?
I am checking. I'll go to all documents. Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Mona Lisa here.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. As you suppose we are reading an article through Mendeley, and as you have shown that one paragraph I liked, I want to insert it in my writing.
No.
highlight.
Now you have to copy paste or you have to work on it, na? But
Okay.
you are annotating. Annonation, I told you, means you can just put your comments.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
those comments, how to insert those comments through Mendeley? Is there any option or like?
Okay, I told you now. Okay, I'll repeat it. First, let me complete this. Now these are my paper. I want to check the duplicates. Okay, just go to check for duplicate. These are the papers which accidentally are repeated. It means more than one entries. So if I want to delete, I can
check
just
for duplicates is coming, but how do we know which are the duplicates? Like I can see there's a list of papers.
yeah, means this paper has got this one paper is having more than one entry. Okay.
So
Like,
which one I will have to delete?
so you can actually, I can delete it. Just click on it and you can right click also, you can just delete it. Okay. Now, what was the question Mona Lisa was asking? Reading of a paper. Now,
How to copy paste the content from the paper onto the draft paper?
No. She's asking about the comment. Copy pasting is very just copy and paste, cut, copy, paste. Mona Lisa, you're asking the how to add comments?
That I know how to add comments. Then suppose I move to my paper, I'm writing and I want to add those comments onto my paper.
See
So
this, can you see the button copy? Just copy and okay, for example, I want to copy it here. Okay.
In this way we have to do.
Now, naturally, don't do this. Now, this is not a you have to write in your words.
That I know, but I was asking, is that
okay? So I made the clarity. I hope so.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Now, in your desktop application, again, there are so many options. you should explore each and every option. For example, you can actually divide, because it is not necessary that you are working only on one thesis. At one point of time, you may be working on more than one paper. Okay, so you can just make your folders accordingly. Fine, you can just create your folder. Can you see this button, create your folder? Just go here and you can just name it. For example, I'm writing my algorithm based paper, so I am going to put my all the papers here only. For example,
Yeah, Aditi here. Ma'am,
Yes.
like in my PhD study, there are 3 variables. So I have made 3 folders, and in individual 3 folders, there are different papers.
So you
For
do
these 3 folders.
You make 3 folders, keep your papers here. But there is no relation of folders and citation, because you are creating folders only for organizing your work for readability. But when you go to a citation part, you have to write the name of the author or name of the paper there. Fine. So let me show you one.
So we have to go to the respective library library
No,
folder.
nothing you have to do.
I'm trying to ask is like 3 folders are there, so all 3 would be combined here together.
You can make 3 folders here, ma'am. Okay, first. Okay, I have made a folder called algorithm. Okay, this is empty. One I have created RT. I have kept 2 papers. Let me put some papers here also. Okay, first of all, let me open the folder from where I want to copy the papers. Okay. One way of copying the paper is this also. Just
drag and drop.
Yeah, drag, drop, drag, drop. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
Now you are asking, I have got 2 folders, algorithm folder, RT folder. Okay. Now I want to cite this paper. Okay. What I am going to take the name from here, because sometimes we should actually, there are so many papers with the almost which appear similar. I have copied the name of the paper. In which folder it is, Aditi?
Algorithm.
So whether it is in any folder, there is no relation of folders here. Which paper I am working, I will just go to insert citation. I will write this. The paper has come.
Yes.
Okay. No relation of folders and citation. Okay.
Okay.
That is only organization for readability.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
That is for individual basis, individual.
Yeah. It means now how you well organize your work. Okay. Some people means, because if you will store so many papers at one place and you want to refer different papers for different purposes, then it can be difficult for you. Okay. So now what we have learned till now, we have learned.
But ma'am, in this case, you didn't synchronize. So
why? You tell me why I have not synchronized.
Excuse me, ma'am?
Why I have not synchronized?
The paper is in the desktop itself.
Yes, this paper is already on the desktop, and in the beginning only I have synchronized my desktop. So it is all, and the paper is already on the desktop, and it is, we do not need to synchronize with that. We need to synchronize when we are adding the paper through web plugin.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So you need to say whatever is already available in your desktop, it is already
synced.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So only new papers which are downloaded from web, they have to be synced.
No, sir. This is not the only case. At times when you switch on your system, you should synchronize. And let me give you one more tip. At times, if you do not find your paper, then also you should once press the sync button. There is no harm in pressing the sync button. Okay. But yes, when we are working on web importer, then you have to sync. Clear?
Okay.
So means now, and in all nutshell, what I can summarize is, this is now I think these are all you can say user friendly icons. You can explore it yourself now. What say? Should we move further?
This 2 GB, madam, this 2 GB storage is basically library?
So it is
Basically, how much you are loading in your library?
2 GB is maximum in free version.
Yeah, that is whatever you have. Suppose you have kept some 10 papers here. That will.
Yeah, it is taking space.
Whatever you are
So if
importing.
yeah, so what can I do is, like, if I finish with one of my paper, I can delete it. And I can use it. Means I don't think if we are not making a very big project, we do not need any premium version. We can handle our work with this free version of Mendeley. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Or
these
can
are
we, or ma'am, can we do one thing? Can we take the bibliography automatically from the selected papers?
You can do that. That is up to you. Cut copy. But sir, selected paper, I don't understand. First of all, you will cite here those papers only, na, which you want to cite. Every paper is not biblio, sir. Being bibliography.
Just for space management. Suppose if I want to refer 20 papers and I make the and I put it in a filter folder. So can I make a bibliography out of that and use it for referencing, so that space management can be done easily?
Sir, what space management you are talking? See, first of all, when you are referencing anything in your paper, okay, then it has to be in bibliography. First rule is this. This is paper writing ethics. If you are citing anything, if you have cited anything, you have to give in bibliography. Otherwise, you will fall into plagiarism. So, I don't understand what space management you are saying.
May I interrupt, ma'am?
Yeah.
See, Sadhvirji, 2 GB is quite a huge space. Okay, until and unless you keep books over there, papers you can write you can keep 200, 300, 500. It's not an issue. 2 GB size is not an issue.
Okay. That was my concern. Okay.
Okay, that okay. And sir, and Sadhvir sir, and whatever you cite na, when you in your papers, always that should be in your bibliography here. Bibliography, you talk. This is bibliography.
Yeah, I know. I understand that.
Acha, okay. Maybe I didn't got
No. I thought I was thinking of something else in case of space management.
Okay. Should we move further?
Yes.
Now, okay. Now I think this is much clearer now. The picture is clear that Mendeley is your software. It's an open source software. You can use it as a reference management tool. Okay, so it is helping you to automatically do citation, change the citation formats, and generate your automatic generation of your bibliography.
Correct.
Fine. Apart from this, what are other features of Mendeley? Let's look on that. What are that is when I go to web plugin. Give me a minute. Okay, now I have to open Mendeley. In the starting, you must have got this type of window, right? Now this is the cloud. Actually, this is the cloud. Even now, what you can do is just like Google Docs. Normally, what are the features there? You collaborate with so many people and all. You can do it here also. Fine. You can just create your group. Can you see this group?
Okay.
Now these are the homework for you. Now these things will be as a part of your homework. Go to groups. Okay. Create group of authors. Okay. And you can actually share whatever you have created as your Mendeley library. Fine. This is your library.
Okay.
You can create groups of 2-3 people or more people. Fine. This is the library. I'm loading it out. See, our papers, all the papers are here now.
Okay.
If I want to share with someone, I can just click and export or share. Fine. or organize. Now these are the options which are very helpful. That is why we are again and again saying it is a collaborative software. Okay, you can add your publication. Can you see this? My publications. I haven't added because I don't have time right now to this all. You can make your own collections, means special collections here. Okay, so you can explore the web page of Mendeley, your login page in a depth.
Okay.
Fine.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Somebody is having a doubt that can we create a group for keywords? Will that be a good idea?
For what?
For creating group for keywords, he is asking out. Hamvi is saying that.
That is up to you. Who is the person who's asking?
Hamvi.
Hamvi, I would like to speak to him. Hamvi.
So please, on your audio, you can talk to ma'am.
Because I don't know for what he wants to make keywords. Today I am not getting time to read my slides. If the time is coming, going so fast. Hamway? No?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I just want to check whether keywords are good enough to make a group.
Means you want to give a name to a group, a keyword name to a group.
Not by author, by research keywords, the keywords of the research area.
That is very good, sir. Not a bad idea.
Okay. Thank you.
So, any other doubt related to practicality?
Yes, ma'am. Prasanjit sir is having the doubt.
Please keep speaking.
Not actually doubt, ma'am. Just two small issues. Okay. While you were doing the add-in for Mendeley, I found there is also Grammarly. Okay. So if I add in Grammarly from there into MS Word, now how does it works over there?
Okay, sir. It will. Have you downloaded? Have you added?
No. I just saw when you were adding Mendeley to the through add-ins. I saw the Grammarly also.
Okay, you saw on my desktop, na?
Right.
Okay. I will tell you. Can you see this open Grammarly?
Yes.
Okay, sir. I will give you a demo of this. Yeah, what is this is, sir, when I have a Grammarly. Okay, now let me show that. Because I am having my business plan with me, Grammarly. Okay, sir.
I have used Grammarly, but not through add-ins. That was I.
Because
That is
you
why
have
I.
not added, sir. You have used a free version.
Yes, free version, right.
In free, you will not get the add-in. Okay, sir. But when you are having your paid version, na, sir, it has an option of just like in Mendeley, I have added now. Same way, I can add Grammarly. Okay. Once I add Grammarly, can you see here?
Yes. I can see.
It is, and I can just open it and use it. That is why you were able to see that plugin there, because I have that plugin with me. Okay. Now let me tell you one more thing. Even Quillboot, which we have read yesterday, you can have a plugin for that also. But that plugin only works in 2016. Okay? It does not work for 2010.
Oh, I have 2019. All the updated I have.
Okay,
so I can use that. 2019.
So you can
2000.
So yeah, then you can even have your plugin of Quillboot here. Fine.
Okay.
So
right.
Because I am having 2010. So I am going to have Grammarly. You can see if you want to see the Grammarly. See, sir. I can show you. See now. There's a problem here. It is. I will just click here. It is taking time. Can you see a determine here?
Right.
I have written helps in determine. I will just go to determine. Okay.
Determine.
Now sometimes we do not know how to put commas and all. Now see, I put this paper actually deliberately I made mistakes in this paper, but sometimes accidentally also we can make mistakes. See now.
Ma'am, shall I ask a question? Because I'm using Grammarly, it's actually coming to my mail because it's just giving me suggestions.
Very good. Why it is coming? Because Now see that also I give an answer for that. Can you see a plugin here, Web Importer plugin of Grammarly G? So you have added because when he was asking you asking you the permissions, you have given him permission. So that's
Okay.
why you haven't checked. If it is not coming on your toolbar like this, just check from here. Okay.
Okay. I got it. I got it. I got you.
But
I got
it is
it.
very helpful. I think it is very helpful. Like if I'm writing a mail, I'll show you. You are talking about this, and let me show you. I think today our session is only practical.
I have one more question also, ma'am.
Let me
Okay,
first. Okay, sir. Now, for example, sir, I want to write something. My system is becoming slow because now I have opened so much. I want to compose something, and I'm writing mistakes. Grammarly will help me here also. Everyone, I would request everyone to please follow me on LinkedIn and give the feedback of the workshop on LinkedIn. Sir?
Yeah, ma'am. Please provide your LinkedIn ID. We'll do
Sure,
that.
ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
My ID is okay. Just search me with my name, Radhika Thapar. Okay, and I have given my ID on the PPT also, which is shared with you.
Sure, ma'am.
Sure. We'll be in touch, ma'am.
See, I am doing some mistakes deliberately. Now see. Taking time. You see, can you see this red icon here?
Yes.
It is giving me mistake. Okay. Dear all, please don't check. I've written na. So it is giving me the alertness.
Right.
Okay. Assistant spelling, it is saying wrong.
Right.
Okay. And it is also telling me what is the level of my work.
Right. It also gives the level.
Okay. So I can actually see assistant. I have just checked asset or mat. That is up to me what I want to use. Okay.
Yes.
Ma'am, for downloading this web plugin for this Mendeley, I'm going to the web page. It is asking get web page importer for Chrome. Click that.
Yes. Click there. Then on the Chrome you will get. Chrome means your browser.
Okay.
Whatever browser you are using.
Then it is asking add to Chrome. Should I add to Chrome?
Yes. Then you see it will come.
Add extension.
Ma'am, one more question I will ask. Maybe a smaller question. Will you allow me?
Yeah. Not.
The one question is that I'm using a software which actually searches paper for me, and it actually suggests which paper should I read. Does Mendeley also do same type of thing,
Yes.
or it's?
Yes. It also do same thing.
Okay.
And let me tell you one thing more, because I think we are facing paucity of time also. It's already 6:30. There is one more tool, everyone. Should anybody who's having any doubt?
Ma'am, I just want to know whether we can use Grammarly, Mendeley, and Quillbot all three simultaneously. Like there is a word file where I am writing my thesis. So
see, I am using. Yes, if I can use, and you can also use. See.
So for Grammarly, we have to take
See,
a
Grammarly.
version.
See, Grammarly. Okay. You can have. Only the trouble is this. It depends on your the processing power of your laptop. Okay. Sometimes it becomes slow.
If the RAM capacity is low, it will not work.
Yes. It will not work.
Radhika ma'am.
Yes,
Radhika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right now you show that we can create a group, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. For that, what we should do? We should log in our
Mendeley
account, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The process I just wanted to know. The process, how you went.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. in the starting only, na? Ma'am, can you see this button, create a new group?
Yeah.
Just click here.
No, Radhika ma'am. Radhika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I know about this. I just wanted to know how you enter the first step.
Ma'am, before that, ma'am, you have to go to Mendeley.com. When you go there, because by default, I am already logged in.
Okay.
Have you made your login in Mendeley?
Yeah.
With the same login, you open your Mendeley homepage.
Okay.
Okay. Then you will get this option.
Okay. This page will come.
Yeah.
Which right now is visible to me. Okay.
You can see, ma'am, this like my Mendeley account is with the name Radhika. Can you see this? So this is my page has come. I can explore all the options. These are very user friendly. Fine.
So simply I have to log in my account. That's all. Okay. Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see. Now please, very quickly, I would like to revise if I have left anything or not. This is.
Ma'am, I have some.
Yeah, please.
Actually, I'm giving annotation for different papers. I'm having number of papers. I forgot the name of the paper, but only the thing, the annotation is a number for me. Can I search the paper based on annotations, ma'am?
Yes, you can go to search and just write the annotation.
Okay. So if what is the annotation that I give for some set of paragraph? If I write that annotation in search means it will highlight, it will short the paper. Is it right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks, ma'am.
Okay. Now, please, I would request everyone to halt for 15 minutes because I need to complete my slides. Okay. Maybe we have left something. There's so much to say. I mean, I feel I have left something or not. Now, these are...
we are silent.
Okay. Now, see, there is everything in my slide. Like if you have facing, like few were facing problem in the plugin part, for them I have entered the screenshot also. These are the steps. If you do not get the plugin, MS Word plugin, you have to check from options, okay, which I have shown. It is here. You can check. Now, what is Mendeley? I have already told. How you create your account, how you organize your library, I have already told. Then Mendeley Web, I have just shown you. Okay. And adding documents, clear. What, referring manually, referring to web importer. Okay. I think we have covered everything. Next thing. This is Elsevier. If you everybody might be knowing, this is Science Direct and Elsevier are the same thing because it is a product of Elsevier, so it has got a collaboration with Science Direct. Okay, if you have your login ID in Science Direct, then the papers just you have to right click on the you have to click on the paper. There you will get this option export and save to Mendeley. You can see on the screen. I am sharing this slide. You can refer it afterwards. You can save directly to Mendeley with Science Direct login. Okay. Then synchronization, you already clear. Managing your library, organizing it. Fine. And now what is star meant for? What is PDF sign? This is everything I have labeled here. You may check from here. Okay. Then create and use your folders. Search your documents. You just go to search button and write here. You will get it here. Next. Annotate PDFs. This I taught you. You can add highlights and notes to documents. Okay. Then checking for duplicates we have done. Then PDF viewer means you can check your paper like this. Then citation already clear. The citation toolbar appears in the Word automatically. We have done this. Okay. In Mac, somebody was saying about Mac. Peter, you were talking about Mac. In Mac, you get toolbar like this. And in Windows, you get your this way. Fine. The editor. Here you get toolbar. The difference is this. In Mac, you get a toolbar. In Windows, you get an editor. Then generation of text citation, I've already told in a simple language. And inserting bibliography is clear. Finding citation style is also, I think, very much clear. And collaboration, I have already told you. So from my side, I think I have done with my today's workshop. Last not least, I would like to tell you people that apart from Mendeley, there are many other tools which can help you to automatically reference or do citation. What are those? One is your EndNote. I think it's not that much. EndNote. One is Zotero. Many of you might have heard about Zotero. Nowadays, when you, because like if I am going to take my next workshop, I am going to teach Zotero there. Now, Mendeley and Zotero are the same reference management tool. Only Mendeley, the difference which I have actually noticed is in Mendeley, you can only work on your system itself. But in Zotero, you can sync with multiple computers. Means if you have done the work on your you can sync it with your system at your workplace. So initially you was talking about space issue.
Ma'am, we lost your voice for a moment.
It will also give you space.
Ma'am, can you repeat? We lost your voice. We lost your voice.
Okay, no issues. Sir, I just, this is my ending slides. Apart from Mendeley, we also have got many other tools like RefWorks, ReferenceWorks, EndNote, Zotero. These are also reference management tools. But EndNote is not free. Again, EndNote is about $300. Okay, and Mendeley is free. And Zotero is also free, though Mendeley has got a paid premium package also. But I told you we do not require the premium package. Only premium package gives you more space. I told initially, so you can work with Mendeley. And when you are finished with Mendeley space, now I will recommend then you download Zotero. Zotero and Mendeley are almost same. Okay. Means agar next workshop, my next workshop, whenever I will plan, I will cover Zotero. Fine. That is also amazing tool, just like Mendeley. Both helps in reviewing your work or helping, but Zotero helps in metadata also, managing metadata also. Okay. So this is all from my side. Again and again, I say, don't break ever the chain. Do learning by doing. And those who want my contact number and LinkedIn ID may note. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am thinking from the.
You are not audible, dear. No, ma'am, voice is cracking, please.
Ma'am, you can write in the chat box. I will ask her.
Okay.
Maya, ma'am, you can write in the chat box. Your voice is not audible.
Yes.
Radhika ma'am, I downloaded Mendeley Web Importer. It is coming in the web page of Chrome Web Store, right? But I'm not able to see the icon like you are having the icon on the toolbar of.
No issue. You go to the settings there, na sir. Plugins. You check the plugins of your browser.
Mendeley
and
browser.
Pin it. And pin it. Pin it means because you might be having many other plugins. So that is why it has come in the queue.
Ma'am, you want me to go to Mendeley desktop again? And is in that when I'm seeing in the tools bar, it is still showing install web importer.
Install.
Ma'am, same problem is with Maya ma'am also. She is also not unable to install Microsoft Word plugin.
Okay, ma'am, you people might have installed, but they are not able to see it actually. So you have to check from here. Again, I am telling you, you have to go to settings. Okay, the three dots. Check your plugins from here. Check your plugins from here. Because the other teacher or other ma'am was also facing problem, Mary ma'am, but she recovered out of it. She can share her experience. How she brought it here. Actually, we need to sync it. Here now there is a button called add-ins. You have to pin your add-in. Pin means there are so many add-ins. When you pin it, it is shown here. Otherwise, it is not shown here.
Okay.
Just see, Sadhbir sir.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm following, ma'am.
Yeah, extensions. Yes. Go to extensions.
Hello, ma'am.
Wait. Go to extensions. Wait, let me clear this doubt first. Sadhbir
Yeah,
sir,
it
can
was
you see
through
the
extension.
Yeah, I'm
and-
following, ma'am.
And just switch on the, maybe it's off by default. Switch it off.
Ma'am, I just want to add.
Niharika, please.
Hello, ma'am. It's Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you just see on your screen next to your Grammarly extension, there is a setting type of extension next to Grammarly. Next to Grammarly.
Yeah.
On your screen. Yes. Click on that.
It will be there.
There
Yes.
you have to pin it.
Pin it. Yes.
Yeah.
That only I
Those
will
who
say.
have not done it, they can see the extension.
Now, very good, Mona Lisa. Thank you, everyone.
Oh, got
Again,
it. Thank you.
Mona Lisa has done a great job. She has helped me. Actually, I was also saying pin up. Matlab, what is the meaning of pin up? Pin up means you want this one to be on the up of the queue. Okay, there are so many things, but when you pin up, it appears on the desktop. Okay, but there can be two issues: one of the pin up and one of this. You might have switched it off. Okay, both the remedies are for your plugin display. Right?
Radhika ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Radhika ma'am, may I?
Yes.
But three things.
Yes,
first of all, please share these PPTs also today.
Okay.
Thank you for the yesterday PPT.
Thank you.
And which one is better, Radhika ma'am, Jutaro or this Mendeley?
Mendeley.
I downloaded Jutaro. Little bit I'm knowing, but not in details. So I just wanted to know your expert idea. Which one is better to use?
Ma'am, both are equally good.
Okay.
If you talk to me, what I am going to do is first I will exploit, I will say, the memory which Mendeley is giving me. Then I will switch to Zotero only.
Okay. So it
Both
means
are good.
Both are good.
But
Okay.
at one time, you cannot use both.
Right. Why, ma'am?
It will create us lots of confusion, ma'am, because the
Okay.
citation will be different and bibliography, you will get two bibliography. How you will manage?
Yeah. So I should be clear through which tool I am going to work.
Yes, you should be clear.
Okay. Another question, ma'am. Right now, I'm using my education institution email ID. If I want to change my email ID, then should I create another account into Mendeley?
Yes. So you do one thing, ma'am. First, if you have already done with your institutional email ID, first use this. Okay.
Okay.
Then you make with your personal email ID. This way you will get 4 GB.
That's good.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Wonderful. Thank you, Radhika.
Okay. Because normally I will tell you there are so many tools. NVivo. NVivo is for LR purposes only. That's also very nice tool. And that is so costly. So what people do is that free version is for 14 days. Okay. Right to means whenever they need to do analysis of 2-3 papers, download with one ID. Then again they download with other ID.
Okay. Another 40 days.
Yeah, 14, 1-4.
Oh, 1-4 you are saying, right? Okay.
So now I am stop presenting my work. Okay.
Radhika ma'am, if possible, can you share a good paper with us, as many of the participants have requested?
Yes, I will. I need, ma'am. I need, because I think many are multidisciplinary people here. I have more of computer science papers, but yes, because being an HR person also, I just need 2 or 3 days. I will filter out and I will definitely. And my contact details for LinkedIn ID is same. And I will request everyone. We have a brochure. Everyone, please. This is a very humble request. Shivangi ma'am has posted a brochure on LinkedIn. I will request everyone to give their common feedback at that place. Okay, and you may please and follow me, tag me, so that this actually works as a recommendation for me.
Okay, I will just ask everyone to just switch off on their video so that I can have the pic and I will post it on LinkedIn.
Yes,
and it will be helpful for me also and for everyone also.
Yes, and I will request everyone to be on LinkedIn and actually collaborate with each other on various social media platforms so that we can exchange our expert ideas or expert knowledge, if any.
Radhika ma'am, you can just stop the presentation so that I can take the screenshot.
Yes, just give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Ma'am, one thing I just wanted to know, Radhika ma'am, just like one last simple question. That does Mendeley give us option of getting the papers also, recommending papers, what are of the same nature?
Yes, ma'am. Because actually, when you will work on Mendeley, after some days, you will see that it is giving you many more options for papers. It helps you because it is an Elsevier, out of Elsevier and Science Direct. Okay. It gives you options. I think, I hope I just wanted to know, did the session was fruitful to you or not?
Ma'am, it was a wonderful workshop. We'll definitely give recommendations.
No words. No words.
No words. Okay.
I will also share the feedback link. Please fill the feedback link for us. Yes.
We can't express the wonderfulness in words.
I also want to add that previously I attended session, but you explained it in a very clear manner. Means each step by step, so that I think it has. Means I will not forget. Means in such a way you explained. Thanks a lot.
I'm so happy to know. This is wonderful. Yesterday you people gave a good feedback. Today again you are giving a much better feedback.
Radhika ma'am, what is the best part in you? Because you're saying everything, whatever is the actual problem, you're going there. This is the best part.
Actually, this was the aim. Actually, aim was
wonderful, wonderful. I appreciate.
I was not fabricated because I have not kept the layers that I will hide this much or I will tell this much, and you cannot believe. Today I have not read the slides also. Everything is out of my experience only.
That's why we could relate with you, because it is practically experience you are sharing.
Yes,
and
these are my struggles.
And this is required, ma'am. So please continue with this only. Okay, whatever sessions you are going to take, please follow this way. Right, this is very, very helpful. Yeah,
you call me. So you invite me at your institution.
Sure. 100%. Nice. Your session was really nice.
I welcome the opportunity. Thank you so much.
We can work at institution level also.
Thank you so much.
Nothing to worry for that also.
Thank you so much. I'm happy. And one compliment for the audiences also. Everyone is so wise and everyone was so calm. And I think everyone intended to learn. So thank you. You are a learner and I too is a learner. So happy to share my knowledge with you also.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. It was wonderful. It was very practical, and hopefully we will be able to do our writing in a more efficient and effective manner.
Yes,
without mistake. Because whatever you have told, that means we need not type, so it will increase the correctness of the draft of our papers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so
much. You all participants. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Radhika ma'am, for giving your time, and hope to conduct a wonderful session on literature review from you once again.
And welcome.
And I will just
forward for it.
Yeah, I will just forward the feedback link to everyone. Just fill the form and stay connected with Educate Consulting for our further workshops and webinars.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Diba.
Ma'am, will you share the recording of this session also with us?
Yeah. I will be sharing it out. I will upload it on YouTube and I will be sharing the link with you all.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
And one request to everyone, very humble request. See, whatever you are appreciating, I am so happy. I take it to my, I will say thank you if you're appreciating me, but your appreciation will matter if you appreciate our program on the social media where ma'am is sharing the links, and follow us on the LinkedIn. That will help us in future also, and let's collaborate and let's bring together some more wisdom to these initiatives. And somebody wants to speak from this side, Santosh Kumar Patnaik.
मैडम वो लिटरेचर रिव्यू का पेपर पक्का भेजिएगा मैम। और
सर मेरे को, हाँ सर मैं तो 2 दिन में ना आई विल डू।
और केस स्टडी का एक अच्छा पेपर चाहिए, रिसर्च पेपर।
Done. I will send.
Thank you ma'am, thank you.
Thank you so much for all participants. Thank you so much. Radhika ma'am, you can.
Radhika ma'am. Yeah, Radhika ma'am, I just wanted to say that if possible, share a multidisciplinary paper so that we are not from the computer science background.
No,
we are from the social science.
Yeah, I will share
social
studies paper. No issue.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Stay healthy, stay fit, and keep learning. Thank you, Shivangi.
If you want to take, kindly take a pic. We're waiting for your pic.
Shivangi ma'am, thank you so much for such a wonderful. Shivangi ma'am, thank you so much for the wonderful arrangement you done.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you to all participants for your kind contribution and participation.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Take care. Stay safe.